Hello everyone, welcome back to ForPips. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss what does XAUUSD mean. Let's break this symbol into three parts, X plus A, U plus USD. Now let's understand what each part means. What does X mean? X is an international symbol used for precious metals. Whenever a trading symbol starts with X, it usually represents a precious metal. What does AU mean? AU is the chemical symbol for gold. It comes from the Latin word aurum, which means gold. That is why AU is the official chemical symbol for gold all over the world. What does USD mean? USD stands for United States dollar, the currency of the United States. Now let's put them together. X plus A, U plus USD equals XAUUSD. This means gold versus US dollar, or in simple words, the price of 1 ounce of gold in US dollars. When you look at the XAUUSD chart, you are actually looking at whether the price of gold is moving up or down against the US dollar. If the XAUUSD price is rising, it means the price of gold is increasing. If the price is falling, it means the price of gold is decreasing. So when a trader says, "I am buying gold," they are actually trading XAUUSD. Now let's understand XAGUSD. Just like XAUUSD, we can break it into three parts, X plus AG plus USD. What does X mean? As we learned earlier, X equals precious metal. What does AG mean? AG is the chemical symbol for silver. It comes from the Latin word argentum. That is why AG is the official chemical symbol for silver all over the world. What does USD mean? USD equals United States dollar. Now let's put them together. X plus AG plus USD equals XAGUSD. This means silver versus US dollar. Or, in simple words, the price of 1 ounce of silver in US dollars. When the XAGUSD price goes up, it means the price of silver is increasing. When the price goes down, it means the price of silver is decreasing. Traders try to make a profit by buying and selling as the price moves up and down. Always remember one important thing. In EUR/USD, we compare the euro with the US dollar. In GBP/USD, we compare the British pound with the US dollar. In USD/JPY, we compare the US dollar with the Japanese yen. In XAU/USD, we compare gold with the US dollar. In XAG/USD, we compare silver with the US dollar. Whether it is a currency, gold, or silver, the rule of trading is always the same. We always compare the value of one asset against another currency. That is why, along with currency pairs, gold and silver are also among the most traded instruments in the Forex market. By now, you should understand that XAUUSD and XAGUSD are not just names. Every letter in these symbols has its own meaning. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next part, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.